You can get your straight texture, or you can get your wet and wavy texture. Hey Bells, thanks for tuning in. I know I look crazy right now, but you already know you are here for a wig installation / experimentation. So we're gonna jump right into this video because we gotta get delivered, like ASAP. Junoda? I was sent a wig from this company right here. So this is supposed to be a wig that is straight, but when you wet it, it becomes curly. Like, that's one of the biggest questions I get when I review curly wigs. Can you straighten it out? I never straighten my curly wigs out because I'm always scared. But this one is meant to be wore either straight or curly. So we're gonna see. Ooh, I love this color scheme. So you get a free brush. I love these bags too. I always throw my wigs in these bags because they're satin, so it's gonna keep the hair from getting all frizzy. Oh, so we got goodies in here. So they have a little comb that says Junoda and free lashes. I will be wearing those. You get your wig caps, you get your satin band, and then you get your edge brush. And then you get your wig. This is a 2-in-1 V-part wig. Dry, straight, wet, curly. I don't think I'm saying that correctly, but it's going to be on the screen here. So it's 22 inches, natural black. It's nice and full too. It's 150% density. And this is Brazilian hair. This is really freaking pretty. I'm looking in the mirror after this. Is really pretty. So it's a V-part wig. Now with this V-part wig, you don't have to have a leave out if you don't want to. I always try to do it, but I don't know how to do it properly. But you can see how the part looks. Well, this one has an elastic band in there. This is the first time I got one like this, and it has like removable straps so that you can easily put it on and off. It's nice and thick and soft. It has the clip-ins at the top so you can clip your wig on. And then it has combs in there. There's another clip-in comb right here in the middle. And then it has a comb at the nape and, like I said, adjustable straps. So what I'm going to do, you guys, because I'm going to try it on so you guys can see how it looks straight, but I'm also going to wet it so you guys can see how it looks wet. The middle part wig, I'm going to be doing a side part, but you guys know my middle is so thin. I'm going to be doing a side part, so, but you're still going to get clear definition of how the wig looks. So, oh, she's so gorgeous. So let's just get started. While I'm putting this wig on, I want to talk to you for a minute. I had a subscriber, a long-time subscriber. I'm going to try to put this as close to my hairline as possible because you guys know my hair is so thin. But I had a long-time subscriber leave a very mean comment on my last vlog. It was so weird because, like I said, she's a long-time subscriber and it was just sort of like out of the blue. But she didn't like the fact that I was using new music. She didn't like the music, which I can understand. Like, it's definitely different kind of music than what I normally use. It hurt me because it was a long-time subscriber and it was unexpected and it was pretty petty. Like, she was mad about the music I used in the video. She was mad because she says she feels like I'm trying to be like all the other YouTubers because I say things like baby. Like, no, I say baby all the time. Like, that's just who I am. I think now that I'm vlogging, you guys are getting to see a lot more of my personality. A lot of times when I do like these wig reviews and clothing hauls, I'm sticking to the point. Even though I try to be myself in those videos and let my personality come through, it's sort of hard because I'm trying to get certain facts and things to you in those videos. So you don't get to see as much of my personality as I would like you to. So now that I'm vlogging, you get to see me on a day-to-day basis in my day-to-day life. And I think viewers get this mindset of how our YouTubers should be. They sort of like put you into a mode and they want you to stay in that mode and they don't want you to change and grow. Totally forgetting and negating the fact that we are human. We are grown people. We have lives and personalities and, you know, we're not robots. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to flat iron my leave out to blend it in with the hair. This is looking so good so far. We're not just here for entertainment. We're people with feelings, thoughts, emotions, life experiences, our own issues and problems. Like, I just had my own recent health scare, you know. Even that, in that video, I was talking about my health scare. And I thought it was really rude of her to come on that video when I was already going through so much emotional turmoil and leave a comment like that. But I say things like baby all the time, or like all kind of slang. Like, I'm black. Like, we have a whole vernacular that we use. It's normal. The music I use in that video is definitely a lot different than what I normally use. You guys know I don't curse, so like there was a few curse words in that video, but like when I chose that music, I wasn't even thinking about that. I was thinking about how awesome the song sounded and how great it would be edited into my workout sessions, because I was tired of using the same music over and over. I didn't respond to it. I just deleted it because it was so offensive to me. And then I went on Facebook, and I'll show you guys what I wrote. I didn't even write anything mean. I didn't call her out. I didn't say her name or anything. I just said a long-time subscriber left a mean comment on my video, and I was hurt. And I was hurt. I'm still hurt. And then apparently she saw that status on Facebook and got mad again, and then inboxed me and left me a horribly mean inbox. I'm like, what is going on? Me and her have interacted so many times over the years. She's always commenting on my videos. I feel sort of ridiculous, like flat ironing. I'm going to get it wet. Yeah. She came on Facebook and left a mean inbox in my Facebook, and I didn't go off on her like I could have. And I could have exposed her. You know, I could have said who she was and yada, 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 and let her deal with the backlash of that. But I haven't did that. I blocked her on Facebook too. Go on about your life. If you don't agree with what I'm doing on my channel or what I'm saying or music I'm playing, you don't have to follow me. You can unsubscribe. It's not going to be the end of the world. If I see a video I don't like, I just keep scrolling. It was like, everybody's not going to be happy with everything that you do. You're a human being. You have your life to live and your choices to make. And people think that they can control you in your life. And if you don't do what they say, or if you do something they don't like, they feel like they have a right to voice their opinion concerning your life. I think that is so strange how the world is now. Like, people don't have a right to live their own lives anymore because everybody wants to have a say about what you're doing and who you are. And it's weird. It's weird energy. It's like, stay in your own lane, mind your own business, and if you don't like it, keep on trucking. You know what I'm saying? But my whole thing is, guys, don't live your life trying to please everybody, because you are going to be so freaking miserable. It's not something that is healthy mentally for you, trying to live your life to please other people. I don't care if it's your friends, your husband, your mama, your daddy. You cannot live your life for other people. You got to do you, be who you are, and be true to yourself, because if you're not, at the end of the day, you're going to be so miserable and so sad with yourself, and it's totally not worth it. Like, you don't want to live your life with regrets. Like, I can't live my life being like, well, this subscriber doesn't like this, now I gotta change everything about me and become a robot. You know what I'm saying? So, like, if you have naysayers in your life or people that don't accept you for who you are, you don't have to communicate with them people. I don't care if they're blood. I don't care if you've been friends with them for like years and years. You don't want to sever that relationship because it's been years and you put so much time into it already. Ain't nobody got time for that. I'm using some of this. I got a new scent. This is banana. This is the Kiss Edge Fixer Maximum Hold. I got a new scent, banana. I love banana. It's not a strong banana smell. It's not giving, you know, it's not. Now I'm sad. I bought this bundle specifically because I wanted this banana scent, but it's not giving banana. Anyways, let me fix my edges and whatnot. She felt comfortable being that mean to me because she felt that I was different, or I was trying to be like other YouTubers, which I'm not. If that was the case, I'd be out there partying, twerking in every video, cussing and screaming and hollering, and all this other stuff that people do for views. I don't do that kind of stuff because that's not the person I am. If she felt comfortable enough to talk to me like that and be so judgmental towards me, I question if she was ever truly a subscriber of mine or ever truly a fan of mine. You know what I'm saying? Live your life for you, because it's short and it goes by so quick. And like I said, it is impossible to please everybody. And that's a mission that you don't want to take on.
Pretty girl, curly hair, she wavy. Pretty girl, everywhere. I see pretty girls, all across the world. I see pretty girls, everywhere I go. I see pretty girls, all across the world.
So guys, now that that's done, we're going to wet her and see what she does. I'm so nervous. I don't know why I'm nervous, but I'm nervous. And I would be wearing satin today when I have to wet my hair. What was I thinking?
Pretty girl, look like Martha at work. Pretty girl, look like Deja Stewart. Pretty girl.
It's so pretty. So this is supposed to be like a wet and wavy kind of curl to the pattern. So this is what it looks like. You can also set this with gel or mousse or anything like that. So guys, this is how the hair is looking. So pretty. So you can get your straight texture or you can get your wet and wavy texture. How pretty is that? Oh my gosh. Okay, let me do the other side, guys. I'll be right back. Okay, so guys, I went this side too. I tried to go too high up because if my 4C hair get wet, it's over. It's over. I got a little bit of mist on there. It's already reverting. Just from me straightening it with a flat iron, my hair does not like being straightened out at all. Did the wet on both sides. I only did like a little bit of misting, but you can only imagine if you dunk this in some water, how curly it's gonna get. It's gonna get like so wavy and pretty. This is really gorgeous. Looking at the site, it said like 0 to 24 hours for processing. Delivery is 3 to 5 working days, so 3 to 5 business days. I got my wig super quick. I was like, what, it's here already? The wig is gorgeous. Like I said, it's 150% density. The cap is average size, so it's 21.5 to 22.5 inches. I have a big head. It's comfortable on my head. I love too that it's not too big. Sometimes I get these V-part wigs and they are so big and floppy on your head, and this is just fitting. It fits great. I think it's a very beautiful, versatile unit, so definitely get your hands on it. I will link it down below in the description bar with any applicable discount codes. The social media for this hair company as well will be linked down below in case you want to see other people rocking this wig. Remember, like I said, be true to yourself. Don't worry about anybody else, and I will catch you guys in the next video. So until then, stay fierce, stay fabulous. Melissa Danielle. Mwah.